Hello guys, I help a lot of my colleagues to help them print their work from Excel office. And so I want to quickly make this video to show you how you can print anything on Excel. So if I have this small table, this small data I want to print, that and I press Ctrl P, as you can see, the table is showing on two different pages, which is not ideal for anyone. So how do you print this to have everything in one page? So the first thing I usually do, the first method I usually use is to select all the whole area I want to print, go to page layout, go to print area, set print area. Then afterwards, press Ctrl P and then go to fit all columns on one page. Now you have it. Now the downside to this is that this is very small, and other thing you can do is to change it to landscape orientation. So which is a lot better. So when you print this, it's going to appear clearer in your paper. Another option I used to use is this. Let's say I have a new file like this, then I can go to print area, print layout, and go to print layout. It's going to give you page one, page two, or depending on the number of pages. Then drag from page one up to this place so it fits everything inside page one. Then you can adjust it. Okay, I want it to start from here. Now, from after this one, just press Ctrl P, and you're going to have it in one page. So, for you to occupy space, you can also change it to landscape orientation, so it occupies more space. Thank you for watching. I'll see you on the next one.